So karon nagpasalamat ta nga ni arigid mo no ni participate sa atong screening, testing and health education session. So kabalo gyud ta nga ang kaning TB seryoso gyud nga sakit. But we will continue giving the services to all Cebuano.
On behalf of the World Health Organization, it is an honor to be with you today as we celebrate the National Lung Month 2025 through this nationwide simultaneous active case finding.
Also, this activity is not only about TB case finding, but it will also empower our communities.
Let this serve as a reminder that protecting lung health is not only about medical care. It is about clean air, smoke-free communities, proper nutrition, and access to quality health services for all.
Ang problema natin sa tuberculosis, hindi lang po Cebu. Nationwide po ang problema natin. And alam naman nating lahat, the cases has been going up along with HIV.
Tuberculosis remains as one of the leading causes of death and illness in our country. Too often, Filipinos suffer in silence.
This is one of the best na strategy so far kasi active case finding tayo. Ano ang active case finding?
So, duha nga things lang po na kailangan natin malaman, no? Kinahanglan ang tinuod o gusto na impormasyon, no? For our tuberculosis campaign.
Maura nga sakit nga babation, especially kung na-TB, but this can also complicate to other system, to other diseases. Munang kinahanglan yun ato nga undangon ni ato ang awayon, no? Ato ang we have to end ang tuberculosis nga sakit din sa ato ang nasod.
Mo na nga atong panghingusgan pagyud nga ato ang nagyong mapatay ang kagaw ug ato nagyong wala ang TB sa ato ang nasod.
So most importantly, it reminds us that ending TB requires all of us, especially the youth, to take part in advocacy, education, and service.
ni DOH. Kahit na ano kaganda at kasipag ni Dr. Villa, pag hindi gumalaw si BHW, wala kaming maa-achieve.
Sama-sama nating wakasan ang TB sa Pilipinas.